I had the chance to meet a Japanese mechanic who works at Toyota. I once asked a question that had been bothering me for years. How do your cars last so long? In many countries, cars are replaced every 5 or 6 years because engines wear out, electronics fail, and repairs become too expensive. But in Japan, it's normal to see vehicles with hundreds of thousands of miles still running smoothly. His answer caught me off guard. He said, "It's not because our cars are special, it's because we treat them like family." That moment changed how I saw car maintenance. Because Japanese cars don't last forever due to magic or secret technology, but because of discipline, preventive maintenance, and technical awareness. Today, I'm going to break down 15 Japanese maintenance habits, explaining not only what they do, but why it works mechanically. And by the end, you'll understand why these habits can literally double or triple a car's lifespan. Number 15. Progressive engine warm-up. When you start a cold engine, oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Metal components are contracted, and clearances inside the engine are tighter than normal. In Japan, drivers allow a short warm-up and drive gently at first. This allows oil pressure to stabilize and engine parts to expand evenly. Hard acceleration on a cold engine causes excessive friction, piston scuffing, and premature bearing wear. Gradual warming reduces internal stress and dramatically extends engine life. Number 14. Oil changes based on operating conditions. Oil degrades not just by mileage, but by heat cycles, contamination, and driving style. Japanese drivers adjust oil change intervals depending on how the car is used. City driving contaminates oil faster due to short trips and frequent cold starts. Highway driving is easier on oil. Changing oil before viscosity breaks down preserves lubrication, prevents sludge formation, and protects camshafts, bearings, and piston rings. Number 13. Weekly fluid inspections. Fluids are the lifeblood of a vehicle. Low coolant leads to overheating. Contaminated brake fluid absorbs moisture and reduces braking efficiency. Japanese drivers visually inspect fluids weekly. This allows early detection of leaks, internal wear, or contamination before damage spreads to expensive components. Number 12. Preventive replacement of wear components. Belts, water pumps, tensioners, and batteries fail gradually. But when they fail suddenly, damage is severe. Japanese maintenance schedules replace these components before failure. This avoids catastrophic engine damage and eliminates secondary failures caused by broken accessories. Number 11. Full mechanical inspection every 10,000 miles. Vibration, heat, and age slowly loosen fasteners and degrade rubber components. Japanese inspections include mounts, hoses, fasteners, wiring insulation, and bushings. A loose mount causes vibration. Vibration causes cracks. Cracks lead to leaks. And leaks destroy engines. Number 10. ECU and electrical system reset. Modern cars rely on adaptive learning systems. Over time, incorrect sensor readings can cause poor fuel trims and warning lights. A controlled ECU reset clears stored errors and forces the system to recalibrate to factory values. This prevents unnecessary part replacement and restores optimal operation. Number 9. Electrical connector maintenance. Corrosion increases electrical resistance, causing voltage drops and false sensor readings. Japanese mechanics routinely clean connectors and apply dielectric grease, ensuring clean signal transmission and protecting control modules from stress. Number 8. Throttle body cleaning and recalibration. Carbon buildup alters airflow measurements. The ECU compensates incorrectly, causing rough idle and delayed throttle response. Cleaning and recalibrating restores correct airflow values, improves combustion efficiency, and reduces strain on the transmission and drivetrain. Number 7. Mass airflow sensor cleaning. The MAF sensor directly controls fuel injection. Even microscopic contamination causes incorrect air-fuel ratios. Japanese drivers clean MAF sensors with non-residue sprays, restoring accuracy and preventing excess fuel consumption, misfires, and catalytic converter damage. Number 6. Preventive injector cleaning. Deposits on injectors disrupt fuel atomization, leading to uneven combustion. Regular injector cleaning ensures proper spray patterns, improving power, fuel economy, and piston temperature balance, key to long engine life. Number 5. Ground cable inspection and reinforcement. Poor grounding causes unstable voltage throughout the vehicle. This leads to erratic sensor behavior and electronic failures. Japanese mechanics clean ground points and often add auxiliary grounds to stabilize electrical flow and protect sensitive electronics. Number 4. Battery voltage management. Low voltage damages control modules and sensors. Japanese owners monitor battery health, avoid deep discharge, clean terminals, and use maintainers. This stabilizes the electrical system and doubles battery lifespan. Number 3. Total cooling system control. Heat is the #1 engine killer. Japanese maintenance includes coolant replacement, radiator cleaning, hose inspection, and thermostat replacement. Preventing even brief overheating events protects head gaskets, cylinder heads, and piston rings. Number 2. Air conditioning system maintenance. A poorly maintained AC system increases engine load and electrical demand. Japanese drivers maintain filters, compressors, condensers, and evaporators. This reduces parasitic drag, improves efficiency, and protects electronics from heat and moisture. Number 1. The philosophy of mechanical respect. The most important habit isn't technical, it's cultural. In Japan, maintenance is proactive, not reactive. Sounds are investigated. Service is never delayed. Care is constant. A Japanese mechanic once told me, "A car is like a bonsai. Small, steady care over time creates something that lasts decades." So now you know the truth. Japanese cars don't last forever because of secret materials, hidden technology, or special factories. They last because of discipline, understanding, and respect for maintenance. Small actions, done consistently, create massive results over time. You don't need to live in Japan to apply this philosophy. You don't need expensive tools. And you definitely don't need to be a mechanic. If you adopt even 5 of these habits, you'll notice fewer breakdowns, smoother performance, better fuel efficiency, and a car that feels years younger than it really is. Now, I want to hear from you. Which habit surprised you the most? Which one are you going to start using on your car this month? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video saved you money, taught you something new, or changed how you think about your car, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more real-world car knowledge that mechanics rarely explain, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And finally, share this video with someone who wants their car to last longer, because this information can literally save thousands of dollars. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you. I'll see you in the next video.